Ali, can you please make me some chicken and leek pies?
You really want me to make them for you?
Yes, because they're so yummy and we'll have leftovers.
Alright, on one condition. You have to watch me make them so that you can make them for me next time.
Deal.
Water, chicken stock, parsley, dry bay leaf. Yucky side of leeks, the side that we don't eat, the green side. Lid on. Varoma dish on. 700 grams of thigh chicken diced. Salt and pepper. Juliana or herbs. Insert the steam tray. Carrots diced up. The good part, the eatable part of the leaf. Lid on and cook. Steaming is done. Strain and get the juice from the jug. Liquid from that leek mixture. Preheat oven to 200 degrees. Butter. Flour. Dijon mustard. Thyme or thyme, however you say it. Salt. Black pepper. Lemon pepper. Chicken salt. A little bit of chili to spice up your life. And a bit of dash of garlic. You can never go wrong with garlic. Cream, look, it says here, open here. And it's still not budging. How frustrating. Anyway, fight later, adding whipping cream. Adding some of the mixture. Put the lid on to add the vegetables that we steamed from before. Add the chicken. Gently give it a mix. Add the peas, minted peas, and then mix. And then tip into the warmer. Just giving it a slight mix while it's in here. So that's a lot better to do than in the jug. Oil your muffin tray. Find what pastry cutters size you need to suit the muffin trays. And then mark it all out. We need 12. We've got 2 trays. And then put the bases in. And then put the mixture into it just so it fills the top of the pastry. You don't want to overfill these. All filled. Now time to put the lids on. Crack an egg. Give it a bit of a mix. And then brush over the mixture on top. And get a fork and we're just going to pierce the tops of them so they can breathe. And into the oven. Woof! They are done. They took about 15 minutes. Geo,